In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change answers in TurboTax. Whether you spotted a typo, received a new document, or just need to update a response, I'll walk you through the exact screens to make those changes quickly and confidently. Start by opening TurboTax and signing into your account. From the Tax Home, select Continue to enter your active return. This takes you back to where you left off so you can make edits without starting over. If you aren't signed in yet, use the link provided in the description to access your TurboTax account and return. Next, head to the section that contains the answer you want to change. Use the menu on the left to navigate. For example, choose Personal Info if you need to adjust your filing status or dependents, income and expenses for W-2S or 1099S, deductions and credits for things like education expenses or childcare, and state taxes to update information specific to your state return. Selecting the right area up front helps you land exactly where you need to be. Inside the section, look for the topic you want to update and click Edit, Review, or Revisit next to it. These buttons open the detailed screens for that topic. Once you're in, simply change your answer or update the information on the page. TurboTax automatically saves as you continue, so there's no separate save button to worry about. If you change something significant like income or a credit, you may see your tax due or refund estimate adjust in real time. After you update an answer, keep moving forward by selecting Continue. This ensures you pass through any follow-up questions triggered by your change. If you need to go back a screen, use the on-screen back button rather than your browser's back button to avoid losing your place. If you can't find the area you need, use the search bar at the top right. Type a keyword like W-2, child tax credit, mortgage interest, or estimated taxes, then choose Jump to for direct access to that topic. This shortcut is especially helpful if your return is large or you're not sure which section contains the item you want. When you're done making changes, visit the Review section to check for errors and verify that your updates are complete. Resolve any flagged items, then continue through the filing steps when you're ready. That's it. Your changes are saved as you go, and you can resume filing at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and good luck finishing your return.